What's up YouTube? I'm here to tell you about a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. I've owned this Jeep for about 8 years, and across these 8 years I've put about 150,000 miles on it. When I first bought it in 2015 it had about 50,000 miles on it. The video today is going to be about the crankshaft position sensor. The symptoms you will experience when this sensor is going bad are very similar to a bad spark plug or coil. It'll feel like the engine is misfiring, and it will only happen sporadically. So now let me show you on the Jeep how to replace this sensor. When you get up underneath the Jeep, you're going to try and locate the catalytic converter on the passenger side. Once you're positioned underneath the Jeep and you find the catalytic converter, look directly adjacent and you will see a sensor drilled into the bell housing. This right here is your crankshaft position sensor. Note that it is best to wait a couple hours after running the Jeep to let everything cool down so you will not get burned by the catalytic converter or the transmission. To remove the sensor, you will need a 10mm wrench. It will also be helpful to have a small flathead screwdriver to help you remove the sensor from the housing. When you install the new sensor, be sure it is sitting flush inside the housing. I accomplished this by twisting back and forth until the sensor clicked into place. When you are finished the job, your old sensor might look something just like this. Good luck, and if you are chasing a misfire or stalling or sputtering, this could very well be your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.